Welcome to Henry's Show.
Hi, I'm your friend Henry. Today we're going to do Smart Phonics 2, Unit 4, Short Vowel I, igloo, B, book. If we put them together, what sound will be? It will be ib. That's ib. Bib, bib, ib, rib. That's one word. Igloo, dog. If we put them together, what sound it will be? It will be kid. I'm still a kid. Kid is like a child. Kid. And lid. But in a glue, we have to put a lid together. Or marker, we have a lid. If we don't put them, it will dry, so we cannot use it. So, lid. Egg. Okay, I was repeating one more time because you can understand what I am talking about. Egg. Pig. Pig is an animal. Egg. Wig. If you're performing a play, like some boys pretend to be girls in a play, so they use wig sometimes. Wig is like a hair, but it is a fake hair, not a real hair. That's called wig. This is fin. Yes. In. You have another word called in. The pencil is inside the book. In the book. But not that in. We're learning in. Fin. Okay, fish has a fin. And pin. That's a pin. Let's turn to next page. Let's find and circle. That was a fin, so these are fin. And then number 2. What was it? That was a lid. So let's find lid. Is it a dog? No. Yes, it is something tricky. There's another word. It is lid. I found it. Number 3 is a bib. Where is a bib? Yes, bib. Number 4. This is a wig. Let's find the wig. There it is. Number 5. This is a pin. Where is a pin? There it is. Number 6. This is a pig. Where is a pig? A pup? No, it is a pig. Why do we need to do this? Yeah, some people think it's fun, like a game, but we're doing that we can know the spelling. We have a spelling. If we write L-I-D, it is a lid. So we can say lid, but if it is lid, but if I write B-I-D, it is bid. We don't have a word bid. So it's important to know the spelling. Yes, we already have a spelling, but if you cannot see, just think what it is. So it's more hard to you. So we're already practicing it. What's that? It looks like a wig. Great. Wig. Number 2. It looks like a bib. Great job. Bib. What's that? Do you think it is fin? It is a fin. You can also see here, but try not to see it, okay? Number 4 is a pig. Pig. Number 5, what do you think it is? It is a kid. It does not look like a kid. It looks like an adult or a grown-up person. Now it is a rib. Rib is something like a meat. Yeah, this is a rib. Listen, circle, and write. I was just going to say the word, so you have to write the beginning of this word. We don't need to listen because if we still say the word, you still have to find it like a CD. Number 1, rib. Rib. There it is. Rib. Number 2, fin. Fin. Where's the fin? It's easy peasy. There it is. Number 3, kid. Kid. Where's the kid? There it is. Kid. Number 4, wig. Wig. Where's the wig? There it is. Okay. Don't think that's a hair. It is not a hair. Okay. If some people is wearing a wig, so I sometimes think that they have a hair, not a wig. So it's really tricky to know that we have wig and a hair. Number 5, bib. Bib. There it is. Bib. Number 6, pin. Pin. Great. Page 37. The pin is on the lid. Okay, on. This left hand is on the right hand. On. Yes, that's a pin. That's a lid. The pin is on the lid. That means it is up the lid. Up. We're higher. The pin is more higher than the lid. But you have to say the pin is on the lid. That's 100% correct to say that. The pin is on the lid. Or exactly, but you don't need to do like that. And it takes a time. You have to save time. Number 2, the bib is on the wig. That's the bib. It looks like a hair, right? And it looks like a hay. Horse eats hay. It's called a hay. The bib is on the wig. Number 3, the kid has a pin. Yes, the kid has a pin. That's a pin. Number 4, the kid has a rib. It's this rib. The kid has a pig. Okay, let's turn to the next page. Read along. Let's look at the word what you're learning. A has. O sees the. The kid has a bib. Yes, bib. Babies are wearing. If some food fell to the clothes, it don't fall. It fell in the bib. Yes, when I was baby, I think I wear a bib. I think the kid has a rib. Wow, I want to eat rib now. The ram sees the bib. The ram sees the rib. The ram has the rib. Oh, the kid has a wig. Yes, it's tricky. It looks like a hair first. But if some people imagine already, that means you're really smart. First time I thought it was a hair, but when I was reading and I want to see the picture that we have now, what? I already knew it. Did you know that? It's really funny. Trace and write. This second word is I. So we can just write I in everything because it is short vowel I. You need to know the reason why. If you think it's so easy, so if you just do like that, that means you're not perfect. You have to know why do we have to do this. Now this is an ip, bib, bib. This is an ip, rib, rib. I think we can just write ID, and I think it is still ID. And ID, IN. In the test, it's all mixed up. It's all mixed up. So it's more trickier. But now it's like this. But if you have a chance to study like that easily, you have to still concentrate, and you'll get a lot. Good luck to you, because you can get all correct in your test and be smart like me. Number 4. This is a lid. Number 5. This is a pig. Number 6. This is a wig. Number 7. This is an in. Fin. Number 8. In. Pin. Okay, next time we're doing Unit 5. Short vowel I. We're still learning short vowel. Now, see you soon.